A warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Today, myself Vivek Khamkar stands before you to deliver a speech on global warming and its impact. So, global warming. Global means our Earth. Warming means continuous rise in temperature. As we all know, our Earth's temperature is rising day by day. Global warming, we all are familiar with this word. This word is threat to whole world. As we all know, global warming is increasing at a very fast rate. Well, there are multiple reasons which contributes for its rise, like increasing carbon dioxide and various greenhouse gases, deforestation, overpopulation, and whatnot. Its impact can be worse than anything in the world. Like, due to global warming, our ozone layer is getting depleted. Once fully our ozone layer gets depleted, then harmful radiations of sun will fall on Earth's surface, which will cause skin damage or skin cancer for living organisms, which is very dangerous. Due to global warming, several plants and animal species that exist today will be extinct as they will not be able to survive further. Due to global warming, snow and glaciers are melting down, which goes into seawater, which automatically leads to increase in sea level, and it estimated that after some decades, some cities of USA and India will be in water. Increase in global warming and depletion of ozone layer will tremendously change our lifestyles. Like, whenever we have to go out, we will have to wear protective clothes from sunlight, we will have to cover our whole body, we will have to take care of our whole body, we will have to wear an oxygen mask whenever we go out and whatnot. Today, we can easily go for picnic, mountaineering with our friends and families, but at that time, all these things to do so will be difficult. We can just imagine such things, we can just see their dreams. Due to global warming, every year many polar bears are losing their lives. Global warming disturbs our ecosystem. Global warming also leads to increase in natural calamities like earthquake, volcanic eruption, typhoon, tsunami, etc. So overall, impact of global warming is very hazardous. The whole world should come together to tackle the situation. Because now, if we will not do anything, because now, if we will not limit the speed of global warming, then our future generation will definitely suffer, and the life for them will be so challenging. Thank you.